Welcome to my in-depth review of Traffic Blaster Pro. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about this tool, from its claims of free traffic to my personal experience testing it out. Let's find out if Traffic Blaster Pro is the traffic solution you've been dreaming of, or just another overhyped product. First, let's talk about what Traffic Blaster Pro promises. It's marketed as a cloud-based software designed to drive targeted traffic to your websites, landing pages, or affiliate offers. They claim you'll see increased conversions, more leads, and even recurring income by referring others to use the platform. Sounds great, right? But the big question is, does it live up to these promises? So, what exactly is Traffic Blaster Pro? At its core, it's a traffic generation tool that supposedly uses over 100 sources to bring visitors to your links. These sources range from social media to search engines, and perhaps even paid ads. The platform also targets biz-op seekers, meaning people actively looking for online business opportunities, and provides done-for-you sales funnels to convert traffic into leads or sales. While this sounds promising, there are transparency issues. The exact nature of the traffic sources isn't clearly explained, and that raises concerns about the quality and legitimacy of the traffic. Now let's break down its features. Traffic Blaster Pro includes targeting options based on keywords, location and device type, along with a dashboard that tracks traffic, clicks and conversions. The ability to customize targeting is useful, but the effectiveness of these features depends on the underlying traffic quality, which remains a mystery. During my testing, I signed up for the $1 trial, which was easy and straightforward. I set up a campaign within minutes, and traffic began to flow to my link. However, the results were disappointing. Most of the traffic appeared low quality, with high bounce rates and little to no engagement. There was also minimal targeting available, making it hard to attract a relevant audience. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the platform is user-friendly, with a simple setup process and real-time analytics. The $1 trial is also a low-risk way to test it out. But on the downside, the lack of transparency, questionable traffic quality, and basic targeting make it hard to recommend. The monthly subscription costs also don't seem justified, given the low ROI many users report. For those looking for alternative ways to drive traffic, consider strategies like content marketing, SEO, or paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook. These methods require more effort, but often yield better long-term results. Thanks for watching this review. If you've tried Traffic Blaster Pro yourself, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews.